and also like trust in the speed that uzoyifaka ebholeni yakho, how hard you're kicking the ball. Noma ukhipha uzoyibona uzayilandela bhola, but uyangalawa iba keeper is not going to get it, yabo. So ushaye grand lawo yaba accuracy ne-precision leyana bafethu ka-Batman. And also he was under pressure. I think bikhona i-defender 1 or 2 pha bezimvala umjita, then ubona ushaya ibhola ushaya phakathi, a very good goal. And he scored that like a striker, like a shadow striker nyanyane. So Batman sometimes abantu Cape Town Spurs fan bacho was a strike. Sometimes he did play in the game as like a false 9. So he's that type of number 10, and that is a good thing for Kaizer Chiefs. And then you had Shabalala who came on as a substitute. Shabalala, now different. And then you say Umchita siyamazi masibana. He's more technically very proficient. Umchita umnani nge-touch, nge-turn, and he moves very, very well bafethu. Iphosa i-movement ke leyana. Leya ajonga apha SA bafethu. Umbonile even for the goal, like the ball was on Undlovu in midfield, and then Shabalala one moment besimbona ejonge ngapha umjita and eme ngapha, ya next thing oshaya bethe half turn umjita ubaleka ongena espacing. He attacked, he found the space. He's a master at doing that, and then wayenza nezolo away, and then ulanuza Undlovu betha la through ball, Shabalala washaya goal. Machita ne-ladies, inkosi ngobuyela ki-channel, igama lami nguseko, Football SA lona. So i-Kaizer Chiefs did the job, imenzile umsebenzi, the 2-0 win over Sekhukhune United. Apha kule video ngifuna uthetha about something very interesting, i-solution i-Kaizer Chiefs eyifumeneyo. uLuke Batman ndifuna uthetha ngaye plus nomdu Shabalala bafethu, as exactly what coach Fernando da Cruz ebeyicelile, bethe Mosman he wants i-profiles ezi-different, and la machita ezi-2 zi-goal scorers futhi last night, uShabalala plus no Batman. As i-profile way interesting ala machita is zi-profiles ezi-2 ezi-different bafethu, badlala same position but different profiles, and that is very important for any team bafethu. I'm going to speak about that. That is going to be the focus, but I also want to speak about the performance as a whole, because hey, there's so much in its about the central defense, plus the central midfield, plus namachita bedlala ki-wings izolo. And then zothetha obviously ngale nto yenzeke kuShabalala plus uMokoena plus nale out uDaiding uSehlenduli Orlando Pirates. But mangiqala ngale performance ye-Chiefs bafethu, hey, okokuqala Chiefs winile 2-0 machita ne, but just as you will be better la first half, like zange ndabona zimbalwa i-halves endizibonileyo ezimbi njengela hlobo bafethu, like la machita ebepoor bafethu. And one of the reasons was yaziwe lilishwa kanjani bafethu, la machita ebesoyika, they were playing with so much fear, they were scared bafethu, and I'm going to explain the reasons for ezazinto. Like why that happens. It doesn't happen kakhulu bafethu, it happens quite rarely where we see players bezidlale zine anxiety like at that level. Amachita, like the level of fear bedlala ngayo kula first half was like extreme bafethu. I'm going to look at the causes ezenzala way, and let me get okay, defense ne. Should I first talk about how they were playing or what causes fear and anxiety? Okay, fear and anxiety engela hlobo at that level besibona ngayo kule first half is zikhozwa most of the time fear yokwenza mistakes, anxiety. La machita were too anxious, so they were thinking like they were thinking about making mistakes before they got the ball. The match Sundowns coming on the weekend, they were so eager to lose the game, and I'm sure the coach express la energy banayo is like he's terrified at the idea nizawul lose like MTN 8, and then they lose like the game against Sekhukhune United. Sekhukhune United we score 4 goals against AmaZulu, and then you play against Sundowns yonke la way created so much fear, and amajita beyazi ba sawuluza apha yojonga sizoxhonywa, we are going to get crucified by fans, by the media, by legends bangoku sityiwe i-Golden Arrows, and sityiwe sekukhona United and then seke Sundowns, everything is going to fall apart. So the players were driven by that fear so much. And also in ijambile coach Fernando da Cruz have strong words namajita after imatch eGolden Arrows, and uyawaba strong indlela athetha ngayo, uyawaba strong, and bekunyanzelekile futhi players were also afraid of that. Babangenza izinto coach that are asking him, because Da Cruz, we learned even before he arrived, but he's a coach that is very instructive and is very strict tactically. So that can also affect the players, but they're going to adapt to that. And it is also the coach's job to make them feel more relaxed, not because too fearful, going to mistakes. And Da Cruz, I think he did even acknowledge Lewe after the game. Okay, what happened in the second half? And then Da Cruz was saying, amajita, in second half, I wanted them to play more freely, to express themselves. And then actually uyibonile la way bendiyibona nami ngoba ndihleli phansi ngoba yala amajita ziyagwaja ezi bafethu ndimadlala apha kule first half. So Da Cruz wayibona lo way, and uyazi going forward it must be something he's going to manage as well, yabo. And Da Cruz also bayaqala coach South Africa, yabo. We've heard in the past how coaches adapt and realize but players zasemzansi they way different to ezinye players zakoma Morocco apasuka khona nase France apasuka khona nase Belgium apasuka khona, like in terms of xa se ishobile kukho ipressure, and then ngoku funeke unyuse ilizwi and uxelela amajita iwaza basically. Funeka uzishout ezi players, funeka be verbally aggressive nezi players. Excuse me. Kuthiwa ii-players zapha eMzantsi zi-reacta differently. In other words, bafethu amajita are more sensitive, yabo. Our-react ngendlela eyi-one njengezinye ii-players bone za-Orkant nakuma Morocco nakuma Egypt. Eyase-Morocco nase-Egypt nase-Algeria bafethu masithetheni inyani zisimilar kakhulu kii-players zase-Europe. And la way also comes with geography, like you would not believe how close Morocco is to Spain. It's actually on the border. Like enye borders in Morocco kuya Spain, and most of the matches even Hakimi bazalelwe Madrid, and it's not the only one. Ali out to Diaz, ufitshana nase France, nese Algeria, the connection with France. So inyani mayithetho bafethu, like in North African players as Algeria, Egypt, they are the closest thing. Like so much about them is European bafethu. They just, to be honest, mostly African just by culture and language and geography, but football wise the culture yabo European masithethi inyani. So Da Cruz uyaqala usebenza ne-African players qondile apha Kaizer Chiefs. So nawe uzayibona lo way azama uadapt uba okay la majita uzawucommunicate njani nabo, and then doesn't mean ba afunekanga abe aggressive nabo verbally, but it's going to find ways, yabo. So that was that bafethu. So Kaizer Chiefs be affected, and I'm sure now if ubukela la match uyibonile way bayila majita atheni bafethu uhajo ngayi. It was difficult to watch because you could see the players ziyoyika, yabo. Anyways, let's look at how they were playing and what was happening, and izizinto bezizenza what they were doing in defense plus the midfield. Like I want to get into what the central midfielders were doing and what the central defenders, the central midfielders, and what the wingers were doing, because this can happen again. And obviously this is what Fernando da Cruz, coach, is going to hammer Ejimin before the match at Sundowns. It was so obvious. Okay, la machita intoni benza base-Kaizer Chiefs ibivele yadlala slow phana, like ibhola ingamovi tu bafethu, ibhola ibingayi tu efront bafethu, and sonke besothukile ba kwenzeka ntoni bafethu. And I could see okay jonga like ibiwe simple kanye le yaba bafethu bingenzeki pha, but ke because amajita ebegwaja khangayenze. okokuqala kuthiwa leyo ithiwa i-ball progression. I-ball progression bafethu, which is essential ki-modern football, like everywhere, and iqala from a back as well. Kudala mos ibisenzeka kanjani before kufike leyo ithiwa i-ball progression. Kudala goalkeeper bebeka ibhola phaa abone kulaa ndawo, ubeka ndawoni phaa, edge of i-box, edge of the small box, abuye umba gqibo kakhe abaleke ekhaba ibhola. Sometimes yenziwa i-defender la way yabo, khaba ibhola ingapha phambili, and then ke ngoku uyaphela la way, and then ke ngoku kabakho le ethiwa i-ball progression. Ball progression, skisi ngesingam sama fethu, skisi nge-English yam, is playing from the back basically. What it means, i-ball progression. And then you say Kaizer Chiefs, most clubs, ibhola mostly isuka from goalkeeper uyayibamba, and then ayinike right back okanye left back okanye inike central defenders okanye sometimes straight i-defensive midfielder kwezinye i-teams. So Kaizer Chiefs is last night ke ngoku i-central midfielders khange zimenza umsebenzi wazo bafethu. I mean i-central defenders plus ne-central midfielders, uKwinika plus uKwinika plus nale-out Miguel, umsebenzi iwebe beyenza becapukisa wonke umuntu was watching. Bye kusemachita sinenthini bamba nebhola, zithu indlela zoprogressa ibhola bafethu. Eyokuqala is ubamba ibhola, which is like the most preferred. Ubamba ibhola and then just drive with the ball at your feet. Yeni ibona machita i-defenders ayenza la uthatha ibhola and then just drive with the ball, and nizoza kuwe ilawe i-attackers when midfielders are the team, and when they come to you, that makes i-teammate yakho nezinye teammates zakho zoba free, because as a players uzikhupha kwi-position yakho basemazize kuwe ngoku uyafestana. La uthiwa kubreaka ii-lines, you're breaking the pressing lines yabo, because opposition team iyakupressa nge-front line yayo plus ne-midfield yayo. So when as a defender you take the ball and then you move with the ball between them, you know, because it was the half spaces. Half spaces is like, this is the pressing line opposition team, and then I'm the central defender, and then the pressing line is this. We call like 3 attacking players. Most teams they press with 2 players when you're 3 players. So when as a defender you take the ball and then you drive with the ball at your feet between as a line, half space, try half space. Part of players is 2, part between 2 pressing players, and then this is the half space in between that. You drive, yeah. And some of the best players there in the grand way, like I've said last season, Mbogazi was the master in doing that. Mbogazi used to take it and then after you figure midfield, even last third, front line, Mbogazi, okay, hamba nebhola, hamba nayo mfethu. You must have the skill to do that, and the power and the quickness, the speed, the ball progression. And almost all the best defenders in the world, they do that. And Bafana Bafana, Hugo Bros always demands that, yeah, but from defenders like. And then the second way to progress the ball, if you're not going to drive with the ball and carry, utati ball and then shire a diagonal pass, long pass, but straight to the winger, when you're straight to the number 10, when you're straight to the central midfielder, just lob the ball, when you shire a diagonal ball. Mbogazi boza kula way bafethu, siyambona mos man, he's top in that. He's one of the best apha eMzantsi phofu. Bafana Bafana phofu apha eMzantsi, even before he left he was the best. Mbogazi like ushayiza away, even nase-America they love him for that. Ngongoku i-Chicago Fire, but that left foot yakhe shaya ilawe i-long balls umjita, and i-long balls, like in the past it used to be like a negative thing, but long ball, but i-long ball they help to move the ball quicker and make the game faster, yeah, because you can shine a long ball and then you say Eli's a breaker, like the defenders of la team, they're gonna go to the ball most when the ball is moving and going, but 1 or 2 of them ball, and then they might not win the ball, and then the space is open, yeah, and then you can take the ball and start combining and interplaying. So Mbogazi was a master at that, and as a Chiefs izingayenzi lo izolo. Sometimes uMiguel iniyacho ukayenza la way, but izolo he was not doing it bafethu. And also uZitha Kwinika, not so much, but I think he can also like carry and drive with the ball. I'm not sure about his passing. So, but what I know is the out Michele Benchini, uThabo Moloisane, Boza. Leia, he can carry, he can drive with the ball so much. Bafethu umchita uyenzela we ngespeed accuracy, like he just takes the ball, aqabele nayo ahambe nayo, avule and then start play ke ngoku. Kaizer Chiefs defenders were too scared izolo and they did not do that. So if they were passing the ball sideways to each other all the time like that. Miguel plus no nale out Uzita. Okanye kanye wide right back phinde boye kubo. That was why we were all frustrated by kwenzeka ntoni bafethu up. And also the midfielder, sometimes the ball progression doesn't happen from central defense. But central defense can take the ball and then by fucking midfield, defensive midfield, when central midfield, in that case is all it was Umthetho plus Nonale out, Umabo. They was born by Tata and then progress the play. Born. Basically they do something similar to what the central defenders used to do, because if ball progression, irresponsibility, is central defenders, then full backs plus the central midfielders. So Lamachita Miguel plus no Quinica. Last night they gave it a lot to Umabo plus no Mthetho. And then Zona Besins one is that pass back Zibula Pagob. But instead of progressing the ball, they were bringing it back to Quinica to the defense. And that was why like everybody was going crazy. By except when they can do up, hey Lamachita's keep on up. Yabo. So that was terrible for Kaizer Chiefs last night. That was why the first half was so bad, Bafethu, and they need to fix that. And bazoba senjini if they come up against a team that presses, about a team that presses very very well, better than Sekhukhune last night. They're gonna bazofa Bafethu, because bavele press ball because they're not progressing the ball. Bavele ball and then attack, score goals, yabo. Or maybe they needed a team that presses better again. Maybe if a team was pressing them better, maybe they want to progress the ball better under higher pressure. But yeah, that was what was happening in Zolo. And then I want to speak about the wingers before I can speak about the main topics namhlanje, Opatman plus no Shabalala. Amachita like wings is Zolo. It was Ulangele Pili starting his first game, Kaizer Chiefs, and then Uvelepai playing in a different role, a right wing. Football, unfortunately, modern football, kukho way yenzekayo yaqalayo, but it works in a grand foot and I like it. Where right footers, right wingers, both umntu okhaba nge-right oyi-winger udlala e-left, yabo. And then umntu okhaba nge-left udlala i-right wing. Kwenzeka lo modern football. So Lamachita now enza loo nto. So vele phaa izolo uyadlala i-right wing, aqhela udlala i-right wing and he struggled bafethu umchita. He didn't play well, and even if ibinguPhili phaa noPhili naye bezosokola angadlali kakuhle. So coach Fernando da Cruz at some point has to train these players. Zoyi-2 okanye oyi-1 wabo to be funeka ba-retrain to be right winger, but it might not take that much because ulandoza uzawude be-fit uFaiz Abrahams, but akabikho fit ngoku. Uzawude be-fit uFaiz Abrahams, but akabikho fit ngoku. uFaiz ke yena ke bafethu he's a right winger that is natural, but and zinqabile futhi ezinjeyana bafethu. Most amajita akhaba nge-right adlale left, but uFaiz yena is a unique, is a rare breed, old school, i-right winger edlala i-right. And ucoach Fernando da Cruz besimvile bayise uthe ufuna different profiles, yabo. Akafuni nje i-right wingers ezi-left footers, eyifuna ne-one natural, which is uFaiz cha akabikho fit. So anyways, Uvelepai, the reason why Uvelepai plus most right wingers they struggle to play right bafethu is that kodwa bazi right foot is that umntu xa idlala apha left ne you get the ball, obamba ibhola bafethu, you have the full view of ibala and your right foot now right foot yakho, and then you say you have the full view of ibala net defenders, yabo, net goal, net central midfield, uzibona grand full view, yabo. Ngeke ngoxa ulapha right kafika ngoba fethu awkward because ekuse ubamba ibhola apha and then ekuse call a line apha, yabo, and then ekuse awukwazi ubona grand yonke le way i-game, and ekuse the defender is forcing you wide, yabo, and ekuse ibhola elapha kuwe and right foot, and then ekuse ibhola elapha ngaselayinini and then khona line izophuma apha, so ubona uvalelekile. But apha you can see the whole game and the whole attack, so that's why amachita esokola and Velepai was struggling. uPhili ebedlalile phaa left, and then Mchita had some good moments actually. The only thing that was kind of letting him down, Umchita, but it's gonna come with time. It's gonna settle. He was taking too long to make a decision. He was taking too long, like he was delaying a bit too much on the ball. Like when's the decision? But okay, when to cut in or go on the outside, or take the pass or take a shot. Umchita, I think it's gonna come in time. He's gonna decide quicker, which is very very important. Otherwise, you're gonna slow the attack, which happened a few times. Izolo, but Umchita had some good moments. Even though he did take time to make a decision, but when there's some good things, and just imagine how good he's going to be. And I've watched Upiri Bafeti, I've watched him, and I've seen his best, and that was nowhere near. Try man of the match. Sometimes it's surprise the man of the match. So Umchita, just imagine when he stops taking long to make decisions, when the minute he takes decision quicker, uzoba grand Umchita is going to be very dangerous. And finally bafethu masingene kwaba number 10 thetha ngabo apha today uBatman plus no Shabalala. So Lamachita, the good thing for Kaizer Chiefs is that besides scoring goals, Umaitu last night, like they have different profiles, Batman, who started the game, is more like he's a number 10, it's like a shadow striker, Umchita. He's like very direct and he just wants to score goals. That's a different profile. And the way he scored that goal foot is like being a striker because like not many players, the Kaizer Chiefs, shy a goal. It looks easy, but it was not. First time shot, we control the ball. First time shot, and then get to the angle. Trust in your precision, and also like trust in the speed that uzoyifaka ebholeni yakho, how hard you're kicking the ball. Noma ukeeper uzoyibona uzayilandela ball, but uyangalawiba keeper is not going to get it. So ushaye grand lawo accuracy ne precision leyana bafethu ka Batman. And also he was under pressure. I think he couldn't defend 1 or 2 pa bizimvala Umchita. Then bona ushaye ibhola ushaye phakathi. A very good goal. And he scored that like a striker, like a shadow striker nyanyane. So Batman sometimes abantu he kept on space with Stefan Bacho was a strike. Sometimes he did play in the game as like a false 9. So is that type of number 10, and that is a good thing for Kaizer Chiefs. And then you had Shabalala who came on as a substitute. Shabalala, not different. And then you say Umchita siyamazi masibana. He's more technically very proficient. Umchita umnani nge-touch, nge-turn, and he moves very very well bafethu. Ipoza i-movement ke leyana. Leya ajonga apha ise bafethu. Even for the goal, like the ball was on Undlovu in midfield, and then Shabalala, one moment besimbona ejonge ngapha Umchita and eme ngapha, and next thing Shaya or betting half turn Umchita ubale kongena spacing. He attacked, he found the space. He's a master at doing that, and then wayenza nezolo away, and then ulanoza Undlovu betha la through ball, Shabalala shy goal. Shabalala is a master. He has a way to create chances for himself, and sometimes he does that to create chances for his new players. Like sometimes I will shy la turn, I take his space, I find the space, I shy la turn, I come to receive it, and then say I was pinda a creative for omnium. Sometimes a shy goal. He's good at that, and also very very technical as well. He's much more technical compared to Batman, but Batman is more like a better finisher. And Shabalala is quicker as well, so that's good for Kaizer Chiefs going forward. But different types of number 10s. And then a third option I shouldn't forget. We call it out Ethan Chislet. Now I'm shooting number 10, but Yena is different to them. He's not that prolific. Django is not like a shadow striker like Batman. He's also not very technical and quick. Django Shabalala, but Yena Umchita. He's tactical, he has like a better football brain. He's smarter as well. Like he's very, very good at like knowing how to move, how to play, how to intelligently. That is what we expect from Yena, from a player profile in Jayana. So Kaizer Chiefs have different profiles in number 10 position, which is good for them. And you do get to number 10 who. I spoke about this like in one of the comments someone commented that no, in the number 10 position you need intelligence, that position is all about intelligence. I was like, no, that's not true, man. Ampana, you do need to be technical, you do need to be quick, and you also do need to be strong, like ube physical. Bakhona on number 10 baspanisa amandla, yabo. And then being number 10 who have everything, ziphoze ezifana no Lucas Ribeiro. Ribeiro had everything. He had the technical skills, he was quick, and he was strong, and he was smart intelligently. I mean, tactically. No, any example could be out in England, Real Madrid, or Jude Bellingham. He has everything as a number 10. So that is that, Bafethu, in terms of number 10 Kaizer Chiefs. It's going to be very exciting to watch. And then finally, I want to speak about Sihle Nduli, Bafethu, like one of the major events that is all. It was very, very painful to watch. Did you see that, Bafethu, like out Yamazulu, Umbani, Thando Lenkosi, Ngwenya? It is like there was a violent tackle on Sihle Nduli, and it looks like Sihle Nduli is going to be out. That looked very, very bad. I think he was close to tears when Khalile Bafethu. He cried. That was terrible. That was his first start, Bafethu. After the out, he been an ankle injury for 8 months, and then when they get away, Bafethu, that was heartbreaking to watch. So Ngwenya, I'm not sure if he was doing that on purpose, but that was horrible, Bafethu. That was very, 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 especially happening it to that player. And then Wasazwane, coach yake, Ngwenya, what that was bad. He didn't want to see that. He doesn't like what happened. And Nduli is a talented player, and so injured, and then Wenzegelando, that was terrible to see, Bafethu. So we wish Nduli speedy recovery, and then coach Abdes Lamwad takes over by his scans namhlanje kujonga ba wophukile na iqatha okanye is fractured bone ucrackile, so bazojonga lo way ke ngoku. So if ucrackile, it's going to take a bit, it's going to take long to heal, but then if uphukile, it's going to take longer. And then what else did we see? Oh yeah, Uteboho Mokoena na Bafethu, like ingathi na iqatha lakhe is gone. Bafana International Bafethu kuzodlala Bafana zodlala iAFCON qualifiers Bafethu. Mokoena ingathi uzoba out for a very long time. Isibhanqa, I'm sorry to say that fool Bafethu is Polokwane City ulanduza au surprise Mathusi. Violent tackle on Mokoena Bafethu. I'm sorry about the wind, Bafethu. I think it's going to pass Mongo. Violent tackle, Bafethu, Mokoena. That was horrible to see. And then the reason why I'm so angry at out to surprise Mathusi, Polokwane City, and I'm sorry for saying that fool, that idiot. You are pinned, Bafethu. When's the way? Tashreeq Matthews. He did that again in the same game. That's why I'm so furious. He did that after he did that to Mokoena. He did that to Tashreeq Matthews. How Tashreeq Matthews, luckily he did not catch him as much as he caught Mokoena. That is unacceptable. You think that is football? That is unacceptable. But yeah, Bafethu, that was very disappointing to see. Anyways, Bafethu, what did you think? What did you see? But in all the comments, Bafethu. Don't forget to support the channel, Bafethu. Go like, no subscribe. Aware.